Hey guys, welcome back. So I was at Shoppers today. A whole story about the bitch fucking supervisor. I'm a supervisor at Shoppers. I'm important. Fuck off. Anyway, she just pisses me off. Like I would have put it there. Like I said, I would have put fucking cool water there. Like I said, if I was gonna put something there, it wasn't gonna be cool water. Fucking some fucking flanker of cool water. Son of a bitch. Like I said, it would have been Sauvage or fucking another Fahrenheit, something good. Not that that probably wasn't any good. It definitely ain't $89 good. But anyway. Here's another one I bought. Roberto Cavalli Uomo. Know a damn thing about it. Don't know. Cool kind of box, faux leather kind of feel to it. That's kind of neat. Apparently this guy is a pretty fucking major designer over Europe. I've never heard of this shit. Well, ain't that fucking sharp though? Wow. Where do you see this? Look at that bottle. Ain't that fucking fancy? And you can see the juice. I like that. This is what I'm talking about, companies. If you're going to release a black bottle, this is fine. Make it transparent so I can see my juice. Nice cap. This metal. Yeah. Wow, we're $20 alone. Let's see if the juice matches the fucking bottle in the cap. One spray ain't gonna wear it. Just wanna test it for ya. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know what that note is. It's floral, but manly. Oh my goodness. And I already can smell some. Oh, there's something off the top. One or two notes that I have. Holy fuck. Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta look that up. That's nice. Hey, I'm back. I had a quick look up of that fucking... what that was. Black, violet, and saffron. Holy fuck. I'm not kidding. I'm generally not blown away by anything. I smell it. Tonka bean or vanilla on the base. Well, not the base, but I mean, it's probably the base, but I'm getting hints of it more and more. And a sweetness to it. My fucking God. The juice matches the bottle. It's fucking classy. I don't know longevity or dry down or any of that stuff, but I've only had it on for a few minutes, but wow. That ever different, but nice. I can't stop smelling. You ever one of them colognes you can't stop smelling? A little lavender in there too, I think. And some smoke. Maybe it's a birch. Smoked birch? I don't know. Some kind of wood anyway. Smoky wood. Wow, give it a try. Give it a try. That's it. I'm going to review it. I might wear that one tomorrow. I'm going to review that shit. Yeah, that was unboxing first impression. Hardly ever that impressed right away. Wow. Roberto Cavalli Uomo. I will be back with a review of this. Holy fuck. Ridiculous. Anyway, guys. Peace. Love. Be good to each other.